यदि आप आशीर्वाद देंगे तो जरा दोनों हाथ ऊपर खड़े करके मुझे बता दीजिए। भारत माता की अब की बात।
Hello and welcome. I'm Shivani Sharma. As the nation celebrates the biggest festival of democracy, Times Now gets you all the updates, fervor and colour of this Lok Sabha election. And today we bring you this special edition of Access with the most interesting and important candidate of New Delhi, Basuri Swaraj, who's not only the daughter of the most loved politician Sushma Swaraj, but is also a seasoned lawyer. We'll show you the debut of Basuri Swaraj in this Lok Sabha election with a lot of insight about her vision on life, her inspiration from her mother, and what she thinks about this political journey which she starts from this Lok Sabha election. Let's start the day.
During this Lok Sabha election, Times Now brings all the election updates from the north to the south, east to the west, and today we bring you to the heart of the nation, to New Delhi. Times Now brings you the special edition of Access with New Delhi's Lok Sabha candidate, Basuri Swaraj, who's making her first appearance in a Lok Sabha election. Basuri Swaraj is a well-known lawyer and has been associated with the BJP for the past several years, but this is the first time when the BJP has fielded her in a Lok Sabha election from the New Delhi constituency. Basuri Swaraj is the daughter of the late Sushma Swaraj, a former External Affairs Minister and also the former Chief Minister of Delhi. And Basuri Swaraj believes that her mother's values and hard work translate into her vision for the people. Basuri Swaraj, in fact, is among the 6 changes that the BJP has made in the national capital. Despite winning all 7 seats in Delhi in 2019, the BJP has replaced candidates in 6, including in New Delhi. The New Delhi constituency includes 10 assembly segments: Karol Bagh, Patel Nagar, Moti Nagar, Delhi Cant, Rajinder Nagar, New Delhi, Kasturba Nagar, Malviya Nagar, RK Puram and Greater Kailash. In the 2020 assembly elections in Delhi, all these 10 seats were won by the Aam Aadmi Party. This time around, the India bloc has fielded Somnath Bharti of the Aam Aadmi Party against Basuri Swaraj. Basuri Swaraj is an Oxford graduate and a barrister. She replaces Meenakshi Lekhi as the BJP's candidate in New Delhi, even though Lekhi had won the 2019 election by a considerable margin. We spent an entire day tracking Basuri Swaraj's campaign and her public outreach. She began her campaign on this day as early as 7 a.m. in Sheikh Sarai in Chirag, Delhi. While speaking to Times Now, she said that she remembers her mother each day and draws a lot of inspiration from her. She also told us that she misses being a lawyer and practicing law as well, but is hoping to balance both roles as a politician and as a lawyer once the election concludes.
7 in the morning, and you see Basuri Swaraj meeting the people of her constituency where she's campaigning for almost 20 hours a day. She's meeting everybody with the same warmth as her mother used to meet and the connect she's building. Let's talk to Basuri herself. Basuri, good morning to you. So the day has already begun for you?
The day began at about 6 a.m. itself. Okay. So sorry, just 1 second.
Okay. You can carry on.
Yes. Yeah.
So how do you feel when you are meeting all these women and receiving so much of warmth and love?
I'm elated, I'm ecstatic, and I am extremely grateful. I mean, look at these, 440 volt ka smiles. They ensure that you're sort of rejuvenated with new energy to continue with the campaign and with a new kind of gusto to make sure that your commitment to come back and work for the people is reinforced. And I've been very, very lucky. Not 1 but 2 aunties actually gave me a lot of blessings in the morning. Auntie, aapne subah savere mujhe आशीर्वाद दे दिया है ना?
So these aunties and everybody here, they watch an image, a reflection of Sushma Swaraj, the most loved politician in you?
Look, if they do, then I'm very grateful for it. But I'll be very honest, I'm here to make a mark on my own. I would be a fool to try and fulfill, to fill her shoes. I think nobody can be Sushma Swaraj. But yes, I would... God willing, if God permits and if the people allow, then I would definitely like to leave my own footprints in the sand of time.
So the day is long. For how many hours are you campaigning each day?
I'm sleeping for 3 hours. Campaigning, you can campaign only till 10 p.m. in the night. But of course, there's a lot of hard work that goes in behind the scenes as well. You know. And I'm not the only one campaigning. I must tell you, the entire party, the entire Sangathan is campaigning. While I'm here, I know that in all the 10 other Vidhan Sabhas, in each of the mandals, in 31 mandals, each of the teams are going door to door, doing Prabhat Fairies. After all, this is Modi ji ka chunav, and we all want that our Yashasvi Pradhan Mantri comes back as a Pradhan Sevak for the country to ensure that there is a Viksit Bharat for the third time.
And it was time to walk with Basuri Swaraj along the streets of the Chirag Delhi area.
As Basuri is reaching people, we'll keep talking to her during her Paidal Yatra. Ma'am, this was the first time when you are making the debut. Had you ever thought that you will be contesting this election, or this came suddenly to you?
I found out from the television. बहुत धन्यवाद भैया, बहुत बहुत. I found out from the television just like the rest of the world. There was no expectation, and I will be very honest. The feeling was of gratitude. This is not a reward. It's not a reward. It's a responsibility, one that I take very seriously. The moment I heard the announcement, I immediately took my father's blessings. Both my father and I gravitated towards my mother's portrait. Took her blessings. Went to the temple in the house. And then we just I took God's blessing, got down to work.
Did you ever discuss this with your mother that you will be entering?
We discussed about life, we discussed about law, about academics, about my career. But politics was not on the list.
So what are the key issues that you are bringing for the people in Delhi?
I think let's take this question in the car. It's a very serious question and I need to be here with the people.
So we'll keep talking to Basuri as we proceed with her day in Delhi when she is connecting to the people, and she says that she had never discussed with her mother about her entering into the politics because she had never thought, but yes, when the party decided, it was an opportunity of serving the people. With that feeling, she has come into the
यहाँ का देखो प्रॉब्लम ज्यादातर पानी का प्रॉब्लम है, सफाई है, बस थोड़ा सा यही देखना है, बाकी तो कुछ ऐसा कोई समस्या है नहीं।
आपको लगता है कि बांसुरी जी आई हैं तो कुछ उम्मीद है आप लोगों को?
बहुत उम्मीद है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। राकेश जी पहले हमारे यहाँ के थे और क्या नाम है आई है मैडम, तो ये भी
आपको लग रहा है कि दिल्ली में बीजेपी का प्रदर्शन कैसा होगा?
अच्छा होना चाहिए।
क्या लगता है क्या क्या होना चाहिए
दिल्ली के अंदर क्या होना चाहिए? पानी वानी की सुविधा होनी चाहिए, सारी चीज की।
आम आदमी पार्टी अभी सौरभ भारद्वाज जी हैं यहाँ पे, लेकिन अभी हमारी बांसुरी स्वराज जी अभी आ रही हैं, तो उनकी माताजी पहले यहाँ से रह चुके हैं जैसे कि आपको पता है, तो उनका अच्छा काम, अच्छा वो आती भी थी, विजिट भी करती थी, थोड़ा अच्छा वो था। तो अब हमारी बांसुरी जी आ रही हैं, तो अब हम उनके साथ हैं।
हम तो मांगते हमारा मकान बना है और उनने 35,000 का बिल दे दिया, उसको माफ भी नहीं कर रहे।
अच्छा, जो बिजली बिल माफ करने की बात करते हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल, वो नहीं हुआ?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं हुआ। और रीडिंग भी ठीक थी, रीडिंग भी ठीक आ रही है और माफ नहीं कर रहे, हम तो सारे हुआ है।
आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या होना चाहिए आपके लिए? आपके सांसद को क्या करना चाहिए? आपके नेता आ रहे हैं,
बदलाव ही होना चाहिए और क्या। 45,000 वो भेज दिया, मीटर रीडिंग करवाया, 0 था।
So these people out here, they say that the claims being made by the Arvind Kejriwal government are not working and they are still receiving heavy bills which they are not able to pay. So this is the kind of fact check that the people out here in the streets of Delhi are pointing out to, and they say that they demand that whatever the claims and promises are being made by their leaders, be it Aam Aadmi Party's MLA Saurabh Bharadwaj or the MP who is coming here, shall fulfill. So the promises should be kept by these leaders.
Delhi has a Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal who's out on interim bail in the Liquorgate matter. Once the general elections conclude, he needs to surrender to the authorities on the 2nd of June. While this is a national election, there are of course issues such as the administration in Delhi that will overlap. Moreover, there's been another serious development over the alleged assault of the former DCW chief and the current Rajya Sabha member of parliament from the Aam Aadmi Party, Swati Maliwal, in Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Basuri Swaraj spoke to us about this and a lot more.
You've been quite vocal about the Arvind Kejriwal government and whatever it has done or not done. And the recent issue has been Swati Maliwal's issue, for which you had also left your campaign in the middle of your campaign and you conducted a press conference. Now, yesterday we got a response from Sanjay Singh after 31 hours that yes, such kind of incident has taken place. So what do you have to say about this?
It's been more than 48 hours. And the Honourable Chief Minister of Delhi, Shri Arvind Kejriwal, continues to maintain a deafening silence. And I'm sorry, it's flabbergasting. As a voter, as a Delhiite, as a woman, it is flabbergasting to me. The very fact that in the official residence of the Honourable Chief Minister, while the Honourable Chief Minister was present in the premises, his OSD physically assaulted and misbehaved with a woman member of parliament of the Aam Aadmi Party, Miss Swati Maliwal. And the fact that now after 31 hours later, Mr. Sanjay Singh admitted that this particular incident has happened. No action has been taken by Mr. Kejriwal against the OSD, and not a word has been uttered by Mr. Kejriwal. I want to know, if Mr. Kejriwal cannot ensure the safety of his own women parliamentarians, how is he going to protect the women of Delhi?
Temperatures are soaring and a large part of India is in the midst of a heat wave, but the campaign continues. While tracking Basuri Swaraj's campaign, we also spoke to members of the public.
So in Patel Nagar, the people have gathered here with basuris in their hands to support Basuri Swaraj. And let's talk to them why they are carrying these basuris. सर ये बताइएगा कि आप लोग बांसुरी जी के लिए बांसुरी लाए हैं, लेकिन क्या आपको लगता है कि ये किसी और चीज का भी सिंबल है? सनातन की बात करते हैं।
ये कृष्ण जो बांके बिहारी जी की बांसुरी है, उन्हीं के नाम से ही स्वर्गीय इनकी मदर जो हैं उन्होंने इनका नाम बांसुरी रखा था, क्योंकि वो कृष्ण भगत थी। आइए दीपाली मैडम जी, आप भी बीच में। तो उन्हीं के नाम से ये हमारे सनातन का सिंबल है, ये हिंदू धर्म का सिंबल है, और सभी सनातनी हिंदू जो हैं वो मैडम के साथ हैं।
मैम आप बताइए, आप लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, आपको लगता है कि आप जैसे महिलाओं के लिए कुछ बेहतर होगा अगर बांसुरी जी?
बिल्कुल, महिलाओं की पीड़ा महिलाएं नहीं समझेगी तो और कौन समझेगा। सबसे पहले बात तो ये कि ना, यहाँ से जो भी आपका कैंडिडेट आम आदमी पार्टी से खड़ा हुआ है उस पर महिला के उत्पीड़न का ही FIR दर्ज है। और यहाँ पर ये महिला जो कि एक एडवोकेट भी है, सुषमा स्वराज जी की, स्वर्गीय सुषमा स्वराज जी की बिटिया भी है, और स्वर्गीय सुषमा स्वराज जी के कामों से तो कौन वाकिफ नहीं है। तो उनके गुण तो इनके अंदर आने ही आने हैं, और साथ में अपने भी जो हैं गुण इनके खुद के भी प्लस होने हैं। तो ये महिलाओं का सम्मान भी करेंगी, महिलाओं की सुनेंगी। और अभी तक हमने जितने दिन का भी चुनाव लिया है उसमें हमने एक पहली ऐसी महिला देखी है जो महिलाओं के सम्मान के लिए खड़ी है।
आप भी यहाँ पर आई हुई हैं, आप बताइए आपको कितनी उम्मीद है बांसुरी जी से?
हमें तो बहुत उम्मीद है, और हमें ये भी मालूम है कि वो अपनी उम्मीदों पर हम लोग खरा उतरेंगी। वो तो जो उन्होंने वादे किए हैं हमसे वो पूरा करेंगी, हमें यही आशा है उनसे।
Basuri symbolizes a fight for Sanatan and defeating all these anti-Sanatan forces, because this has been a big issue in these elections of the Lok Sabha. Every day we hear some statements from the opposition, from the Congress against Sanatan, and here in her campaign, Basuri Swaraj is also taking on this issue very strongly.
The next stop is the Jodhpur Mess area near Pandara Road.
Apart from these programs on her campaign, she's also participating in a number of organizational events through the day. Despite her campaign, the busy campaign, she is also involved in the activities within the party. A number of meetings that keep on happening before the elections are also taken up by Basuri Swaraj. Basuri Swaraj and other women candidates of the BJP are busy in their campaign. The national leaders are also coming from different states, and we have with us Vanati Srinivasan, who's come all the way from Coimbatore, and she's here to campaign for these candidates, Basuri and other candidates. Now, ma'am, how do you see this election on 25th of May when Delhi will be choosing their MPs? How strong do you see the
We are very confident that Delhi in 2014, in 2019, so 7 out of 7 is ours. There is no doubt about it. And this time, our target is 400 MPs. Then definitely Delhi is going to support it. And apart from that, Delhi, you know that people from different parts of country, they are staying here, they are the voters. And we as a part of campaign, and we are doing the outreach program with the Telugu people, with the Tamil people, Malayalam people, and apart from that, as being a Mahila Morcha president, we are organizing the small group meetings in the neighborhood areas, and women from different categories and influential women. So like different strategies we are working out for different categories of women. That's all going well.
Basuri Swaraj and Kamaljeet Sehrawat will be contributing to the Ab Ki Baar 400 Paar slogan.
Yes, true. There is no doubt about it. And they are also doing their campaign very effectively. And Basuri, she is interacting with the women and from a different section. So even here we are having an own room. We are having a women from a neighborhood different category, and in another room women from a grassroots level. So, and Kamaljeet Sehrawat is having a very good experience in electoral politics and as well as in politics. So as being a state general secretary in the state unit, she is also doing good, and next time going there.
And then it was time for the roadshow.
Now the roadshow begins of Basuri Swaraj. You can see this is the roadshow which she is taking ahead in Andrewsganj of New Delhi, the constituency. And this is the kind of support that she is gathering with these two-wheelers and all the other vehicles that are there.
Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
So this is the slogan that is being raised here, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. And this is how she is now greeting the people in this roadshow. So Basuri Swaraj moving ahead with her election campaign, a busy day with her roadshow. It's been more than 12 hours since the day began for Basuri Swaraj's campaign, and this is the massive roadshow where Basuri Swaraj is connecting with the people in this roadshow. Let's talk to all those also who are helping and supporting Basuri Swaraj in her campaign. We have Alka Gujjar. She is the co-in-charge of Delhi. Alka ma'am, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आपको ये जो सड़कों पर दिखाई दे रहा है, आपको लगता है वोट में तब्दील हो जाएगा?
इससे ज्यादा ये फैमिली का एक मेंबर बोल सकते हैं या एक रो का एक मेंबर, इससे बहुत ज्यादा कह सकते हैं। और सबके मन में मोदी जी हैं, सबके मन में बांसुरी है, सबके मन में सुषमा जी है। इसलिए 100% 7 की 7 सीटें और ये सीट हम जीतने वाले हैं।
7 की 7 सीटें। So that is the confidence of the BJP supporters and Basuri Swaraj, who is toiling hard to win the hearts of the people. It's been over 12 hours now since we've been together since the morning. How do you see this overwhelming response translating into the votes?
Oh, definitely. This overwhelming response that you've been seeing since morning stems from the unwavering commitment of the people of Delhi in the vision of a Viksit Bharat articulated by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. And as I've said, he's the epitome of promise fulfillment. They know Modi hai to mumkin hai. Whatever he pledges, he is going to deliver. And that is why I know this overwhelming response is going to translate not only in the Nai Delhi Sansadi Kshetra, but all 7 seats in Delhi are going to be in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
As a BJP candidate, you've been talking about a lot of Vikas. But at the same time, you are also talking about, like Modi ji, the traditional nationalism, the nationalism, cultural nationalism. And when we talk of this, we also talk of Sanatan, Ram Mandir, and a lot of these debates are happening these days. What do you have to say about the impact of Ram Mandir and Sanatan in this election?
The two issues are not related. Ram Mandir is symptomatic of promise fulfillment. After 500 years, and I know that people of Bharat have been waiting for it. After 500 years now, Ram Lalla is Pran Pratishtha and Ram Mandir. But Ram Mandir is symptomatic of Modi ji's promise fulfillment. As far as Sanatan Sanskrit, sorry, 1 minute. As far as Sanatan is concerned, you've seen that for their own political selfish gains, the India Alliance has been making extremely despicable statements against Sanatan Sanskriti, comparing Sanatan Sanskriti to a disease like AIDS, talking about uprooting Sanatan from Bharat. Now, we are a nationalist party. And we are a very responsible party. We will always stand up against any kind of injustice, even if it is propagated by the opposition. And it's not just Sanatan. The way the opposition has been talking about wealth redistribution. Bhajpa talks about creation of wealth. Opposition talks about redistribution of wealth. The way they have been talking about women, these are issues that we need to speak up about, and that's exactly what we're doing.
There is a lot at stake this election, and the national capital votes in the 6th phase of polling on the 25th of May.
As we know that lakhs and lakhs of people are watching you on our show, including the people of New Delhi constituency, what's the one message that you would like to tell them that they should choose you as their leader, as their MP?
More importantly, I'm going to tell them, your summer vacation can begin on 26th of May. 25th of May belongs to the nation. 25 मई का दिन राष्ट्र के नाम. 25 मई को जाइए, अपने परिवारों के साथ जाइए, पड़ोसियों के साथ जाइए, दोस्तों के साथ जाइए, मैं कहती हूँ दुश्मनों को भी साथ ले जाइए, लेकिन 25 मई को जाकर मतदान जरूर करिए.
Thank you so much. So that is Basuri Swaraj, who says and appeals that people must come out and vote on 25th of May when Delhi will be seeing the polls, and her debut, she expects she will be in a different role as a member of the parliament. This is Shivani Sharma winding up for now in this special edition of Access with my VJs Tanveer and Akash from New Delhi, only for Times Now. Keep watching.